Bill Goudy checking in. Another rainy day. It's not, it quit raining now. Yeah, but everything's wet. I had great plans to use the Camp Made Dutch oven and make a new recipe. Yeah, it's a new recipe to me. And after it was suggested to me by a guy at the Fairway grocery store meat market. They had some chuck roasts on sale. And he says, "Are you going to make a Mississippi mud?" I said, "What?" He says, "Are you going to make Mississippi mud?" I said, "Well, I've never heard of it." Very, very, very simple. And this is an excellent crock pot recipe, a Dutch oven recipe. You can make it in the oven. Just check it out. Check it out, will you? Here's what you're going to need. It's just this simple. Crock pot, some all just gravy, just in a package. Pepperoncini, I think it's a Greek, golden Greek pepper. And some powdered ranch dip mix, and that's it. And of course a roast. I got about a 3-pound roast I'm going to put in that Dutch oven. Or actually, I'm going to put it in that crock pot. You could put it in a Dutch oven if you wanted to. Oh, look. Look at the goodness. I don't know. That might be too big for my crock pot. It just fits. Look at that. Look at that. It'll cook down a little bit. And you pour these peppers right in. Juice and all. Now, since I found this recipe, I looked on the internet, and there are some people that use beef broth, but I don't need to use beef broth. And that's all there is to it. Put that on high. And let it cook. That is just how easy it is. But what I like to do, what I'm going to do, is I have a small onion. I'm going to just slice it up and throw it in there. And I have a few of the button mushrooms, the white mushrooms you buy at the grocery store. I'm going to just drop a couple of those in there because those work like sponges and they soak up the juice and they are so good. So I am going to add those, but that's not part of the recipe. The recipe is just what I showed you, but I'm going to make my own little addition. And yeah, it is good. I'll bring you back. I'll bring you back later. I got to go do some chores, work around this rain. You know how it is. I can't stay cooped up in this camper for too long. I get camper fever. Yeah, there's only so much napping a guy can do, and I'm not a napper. So, all right, I'll bring you back. Oh, if you could only smell that. Oh, oh. It's been on for 5 hours. Mm. Oh, wow. Does that smell good? That has warmed this place up. Let me see. It's 57 outside, and it is 68 in here. And this is the only heat. This right here. Oh, let's dig into that, shall we? I am so tired. I am telling you, it's been a long, long day. Oh, look how tender that is. That's just falling apart. I am so glad I made this. I'm so tired. I couldn't stop and cook now, you know. And I made this so much earlier that it really didn't interfere with my work for today. Oh, it's so nice to have it done. Look. I have a knife, but it's not required. Look at that. It's just so tender. It's got gravy and ranch seasoning mix. Dried mix. That's all there is to it. Mm-hmm. Oh. Wow. Mississippi mud. Let's try one of these Greek peppers. Yeah, it is done. Man. Got a nice little kick. Let's get the priorities straight, shall we? Crawdaddy Forge made this neck knife, bottle opener, striker. His link will be down below. Check him out. EV Crawfish. Yeah, I call him Mark. Thank you, buddy. Oh, look at that. Oh, man. What a day. I didn't have breakfast this morning. I just got up and got right to going, and you know, it was rainy, cloudy, overcast. Well, like I said, I think it's 57 out right now. 57 degrees. That was so good. So easy. And I'm so glad I made this ahead of time. I added the onions. Look at that. Somewhere in here is mushroom too. Oh, there it is. Like a sponge. Little fungi. Oh, the flavors. After a hard day's work, I'm so tired. I'm gonna take a shower, climb up in that bunk. Yeah. Take a nap. Appreciate you watching. Goudy out.